The 2026 new Bajaj Chetak electric scooter is designed for riders who want style, reliability, and eco-friendly commuting. In today's video, we'll explore everything about this new electric scooter, from design and performance to battery, features, price expectations, and why it might become one of the most popular electric scooters in India. Before diving into the new model, it's important to understand the legacy behind the name Chetak. For decades, the original petrol-powered Bajaj Chetak symbolized durability and practicality. Families relied on it for daily commuting, long rides, and even carrying goods. With the shift toward electric mobility, Bajaj Auto decided to reinvent the Chetak for the future. Instead of simply building another electric scooter, the company aimed to preserve the classic identity while integrating advanced EV technology. The 2026 model represents the most refined version of this transformation. The 2026 Bajaj Chetak Electric continues to follow the retro-modern design philosophy that made it famous. The scooter retains its metal body construction, which is rare in today's plastic-dominated scooter market. This gives the Chetak a premium feel and long-lasting durability. The front section features a smooth rounded design with a sleek LED headlamp. Chrome accents and elegant curves give the scooter a sophisticated look that appeals to both young riders and traditional buyers. The side panels remain clean and minimalistic, maintaining the timeless scooter silhouette. The seat is wide and comfortable, designed for both rider and pillion comfort during longer commutes. At the rear, modern LED lighting and a refined tail section complete the premium design language. The 2026 version also introduces new color options and improved paint quality, enhancing the overall visual appeal. One of the strongest points of the Bajaj Chetak Electric is its build quality. Unlike many competitors that rely heavily on plastic panels, the Chetak uses A. The 2026 Bajaj Chetak electric scooter is powered by an advanced electric motor designed for smooth urban performance. Electric scooters prioritize efficiency and reliability rather than extreme speed, and the Chetak delivers exactly that. The scooter offers quick acceleration for city traffic, making it easy to move through crowded streets and busy intersections. The electric motor produces instant torque, allowing the scooter to start smoothly and respond quickly to throttle input. The top speed is expected to be around 70 to 75 km per hour, which is ideal for city commuting. The ride remains stable, quiet, and vibration-free, a major advantage of electric mobility. Battery performance is one of the most important factors in any electric scooter, and Bajaj Auto has significantly improved this area in the 2026 Chetak. The scooter uses an advanced lithium-ion battery pack designed for durability and long life. The battery is carefully positioned within the chassis to maintain balance and stability. On a full charge, the 2026 Chetak is expected to deliver a real-world riding range of approximately 120 to 140 km, depending on riding conditions, traffic, and selected riding mode. This improved range makes the scooter suitable not only for short commutes but also for longer daily travel within cities. Charging convenience is another major highlight of the 2026 Bajaj Chetak electric scooter. The scooter supports home charging using a standard charging unit. A full charge typically takes around 4 to 5 hours, making overnight charging very convenient for most users. Bajaj is also expanding its charging network in major cities to make public charging easier for EV riders. The charging port is positioned in an accessible location, and the system includes safety features such as temperature monitoring and battery protection technology. The 2026 Chetak Electric brings several smart features that make the riding experience more modern and connected.